How new F1 manufacturers like Toyota and Audi will impact the sport. With new competitors, innovative technology, and a renewed emphasis on sustainability, the entry of new manufacturers like Toyota and Audi into Formula One is expected to revolutionize the sport. These well-known companies will not only improve the racing experience, but also draw in new investors, sponsors, and fans, excitingly changing Formula One's future. Number 7. Technological advancements. A new era of technological innovation is ushered in by the admission of automakers like Audi and Toyota into Formula One, especially in the areas of energy recovery systems, hybrid powertrains, and sustainable fuel technologies. Audi's involvement is strategically in line with the 2026 regulatory framework, which places a strong emphasis on sustainability by requiring the use of only sustainable fuels and raising the hybrid engine's electrical power component to 50%. Audi will be forced by this change to create cutting-edge technologies that optimize energy efficiency, lower emissions, and improve performance. Toyota could implement groundbreaking energy management solutions and reliability improvements, because to its unmatched hybrid system expertise, which it developed via its domination in the World Endurance Championship WEC and the Le Mans 24 Hours. Number 6. Increased competition. Formula One's dynamics will be altered by the entry of Audi and maybe Toyota, which will greatly increase competitiveness between teams and engine manufacturers. The arrival of Audi challenges the supremacy of well-known powerhouses like Mercedes, Ferrari, Honda, and Red Bull Ford by bringing another strong rival to the market. With its extensive resources, engineering know-how, and new viewpoint, Toyota's possible comeback would further diversify the competitive field. Because teams and manufacturers must develop more quickly and perform better to keep ahead of the competition, this flood of new players will make the environment more dynamic and unpredictable. Fans will witness a better spectacle as a result of the increased competition, which will result in closer races, more strategic battles, and a higher emphasis on technical brilliance. Furthermore, the entry of new manufacturers may encourage more funding for the sport, drawing in more participants and improving the level of competition overall. Because of the intense competition, the grid will continuously develop, keeping Formula One at the forefront of motorsport. Number 5. Sustainability goals. Audi's participation in Formula One is in line with the sport's lofty environmental goals, which include switching to entirely sustainable fuels and reaching net zero carbon emissions by 2030. As the manufacturer advances its knowledge of electrification and energy efficiency, Audi's dedication to hybrid technology and sustainable engineering will be crucial in achieving these objectives. Considering its vast experience with hybrid systems and its reputation for environmental conscience, Toyota is likely to support these initiatives if it decides to rejoin the sport. Together, these producers will assist Formula One in establishing new standards for sustainability in motorsport, proving that state-of-the-art technology and environmental responsibility can coexist. Number 4. Economic implications. With significant economic benefits for teams, suppliers, and stakeholders, Audi and Toyota's admission into Formula One is a significant step forward for the sport. The complete acquisition of the Sauber team by Audi represents a substantial financial commitment that will provide additional resources to the team and the larger Formula One environment. This investment will spur economic growth in the sport by opening doors for partnerships with suppliers and sponsors, job creation, and technological advancement. Number 3. Challenges of competitiveness. Although the entry of Audi and Toyota offers promise and excitement, there are also major obstacles that must be overcome in order to succeed in Formula One. Despite its financial resources and engineering expertise, Audi will have to overcome a steep learning curve to adjust to the fiercely competitive and technically challenging world of Formula One. Due to the particular requirements of the sport, including the necessity for quick development cycles, the complexities of aerodynamics, and the extreme pressure to succeed, Audi will need to make significant investments in infrastructure, people, and resources. Similar difficulties surround Toyota's possible comeback, as the automaker needs to get past its previous setbacks in Formula One, when it was unable to convert its enormous resources into steady success. Number 2. Global reach and brand appeal. By entering new markets and drawing in new viewers, Audi and Toyota's involvement in Formula One will greatly increase the sport's appeal and marketability on a worldwide scale. F1's popularity in one of its most significant regions will be strengthened by Audi's strong brand presence in Europe and its reputation for innovation, luxury, and performance, which will draw in new supporters and sponsors from this crucial area. F1 will be able to increase its presence in these regions and reach a sizable and expanding fan base thanks to Toyota's supremacy in Asia, especially in countries like Southeast Asia and Japan. Their participation will also draw in new media sources, broadcasters, and business partners, raising the sport's profile and potential earnings. F1 will increase its cultural significance and financial viability by capitalizing on the widespread popularity of these well-known brands, ensuring its position as a top international sport for years to come. Number 1. Technical innovation in cars. Manufacturers like Audi and Toyota will greatly benefit from their experience with the 2026 regulations, which will provide lighter cars with improved aerodynamics and more battery power. Audi's emphasis on sustainable engineering and hybrid technology will propel improvements in powertrain efficiency, energy recovery systems, and aerodynamics, resulting in vehicles that are quicker, more effective, and more ecologically friendly. Toyota's vast knowledge of energy management and hybrid systems may provide fresh concepts, enhancing these advancements and expanding the realm of what is conceivable in Formula One car design. Since the lessons learned in Formula One frequently influence the development of road cars, these technological improvements will not only improve performance on the track, but also have a long-lasting effect on the automotive industry. The partnership between F1 and these manufacturers will push the limits of motorsport's capabilities, establishing new benchmarks for sustainability, efficiency, and performance that will influence both racing and automobile technology going forward. Audi and Toyota will support Formula One's continued leadership in technology by cultivating a culture of innovation and quality, which will enhance the sport both on and off the track. With new competition, advanced technology, and a renewed emphasis on sustainability, Audi and Toyota's arrival into Formula One represents a turning point for the sport. The sport is ready for a thrilling new era full with obstacles, innovations, and life-changing experiences when these manufacturers enter the grid. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.